Hello, my name is Jason Ansel, and this paper is about PyTorch 2. So the main feature we introduced in PyTorch 2 is called torch.compile. The contract of torch compile is very simple. You call torch compile on your model, and your model goes faster. But under the hood, there's two main technologies that we're going to talk about in this paper. The first is Torch Dynamo. Torch Dynamo is a just-in-time compiler for CPython, which dynamically rewrites Python bytecodes in order to extract a graph of PyTorch operations, which can be passed to many configurable compiler backends. The second key technology is Torch Inductor. Torch Inductor is a brand new AI compiler that's included with PyTorch, and it's the default backend for Torch compile. And what it does is it takes your PyTorch program and it maps it to Triton on GPUs and C++ for CPUs. And the evaluation includes 180 real-world models, and we show a 2.27x geomean inference speedup, a 1.47 geomean training speedup, and we compare these speedups to 6 other AI compilers and show that Torch Inductor provides the best performance. I hope you can attend our talk.